Hey there, builders and makers. Remember building models as a kid? Imagine taking that to a whole new level. Forget glue and tiny pieces. I'm talking about building anything you can imagine, layer by microscopic layer. That's 3D printing, and it's changing the world. From jet engines to prosthetic limbs, 3D printing is turning science fiction into reality. It's fast, efficient, and allows for incredible customization. Let's dive into the exciting world of 3D printing and see how it's revolutionizing the way we create. So, how does this futuristic tech work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing. Think of it like a hot glue gun controlled by a computer, but with much more precision and versatility. First, you need a digital blueprint of your object. This blueprint is created using specialized 3D modeling software. This 3D model is like a digital sculpture, meticulously designed to match your vision. Next, the magic happens in a process called slicing. This is where the model is prepared for printing. The 3D model is sliced into hundreds, sometimes thousands of thin layers. Each layer is a cross-section of the final object. Finally, the 3D printer gets to work. It reads the sliced layers and begins the printing process. It reads the sliced layers and deposits molten plastic, metal, or even chocolate. The material choice depends on the application. Layer by layer, your design takes shape. It's a mesmerizing process to watch. It's like watching a sculpture emerge from a pool of liquid. The transformation is almost magical. The printer precisely follows the digital instructions, building your object with incredible accuracy. Every detail is captured, whether it's a custom phone case, a complex piece of machinery, or even medical implants. 3D printing makes it possible. The possibilities are endless. 3D printing isn't just for hobbyists anymore, it's shaking up industries across the board. In automotive manufacturing, companies are using 3D printers to create lighter, stronger car parts. Need a custom-fit hip replacement? 3D printing to the rescue. Surgeons can now use 3D printed models to plan surgeries and even print implants tailored to a patient's anatomy. The aerospace industry relies on 3D printing to build lightweight components for rockets and satellites. And let's not forget about consumer goods. From custom jewelry to personalized phone cases, 3D printing is putting the power of design into the hands of consumers. Section 4, the power of 3D printing. Better, faster, stronger. Why is everyone so excited about 3D printing? Well, it offers some major advantages. First, it allows for incredible customization. Need a one-of-a-kind part? No problem. 3D printing can create complex geometries that traditional manufacturing methods can only dream of. This also makes it incredibly efficient. No more wasted materials or lengthy tooling processes. 3D printing produces only what you need, when you need it. And let's not forget about sustainability. 3D printing reduces waste by using only the material required for the object. Plus, it allows for on-demand manufacturing, reducing transportation costs and emissions. It's a win-win for businesses and the environment. Section 5, the challenges ahead, leaping hurdles in the 3D printing race. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. 3D printing, despite its revolutionary potential, is no exception. One limitation of 3D printing is the range of materials available. While we have a variety of options, they are still limited compared to traditional manufacturing. While we've come a long way, there are still limitations compared to traditional manufacturing. The quality and durability of 3D printed objects can sometimes fall short. The high initial cost of 3D printers can also be a barrier for some businesses. This can be a significant investment, especially for small enterprises. However, as technology advances and costs decrease, these barriers are gradually being overcome. Scalability is another hurdle that needs addressing. While 3D printing is great for prototyping and small-scale production, scaling up to mass production can be challenging. The speed and efficiency required for large-scale manufacturing are still being perfected. But hey, we're still in the early stages of this technology. The progress made so far is impressive, and the future holds even more promise. With continued innovation, these challenges will be met head-on. The journey of 3D printing is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Section 6. The future is now 4D printing and beyond. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of 3D printing is about to get even wilder. We're not just talking about creating static objects anymore. Imagine objects that can change shape and adapt to their environment. These aren't just science fiction fantasies, they're becoming a reality. That's the promise of 4D printing. By using materials that respond to stimuli like heat or water, we can create objects that are dynamic and versatile. 4D printed objects can self-assemble, repair themselves, or even change their properties over time. Imagine the possibilities in construction where buildings could adapt to weather conditions, and then there's bioprinting. Imagine printing living tissues and organs. This isn't just a dream, it's happening now in research labs around the world. Bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing on-demand organ transplants and personalized medicine. This could save countless lives and change the way we approach medical treatments. The future of 3D printing is full of possibilities. From everyday objects to complex machinery, the applications are endless. So let's keep exploring, keep innovating, and see what amazing creations we can bring to life. The journey of 4D printing is just beginning, and the future looks incredibly exciting.